Hello, welcome back guys to Spotaria channels here. Today in this video I'm going to show you a tutorial how to change home screen layout on Motorola G06 Power. But before it, I hope you guys click subscribe and the bells button to support the channel. And yeah, now without any further ado, let's get started with the video. Well guys, first thing first, here you can see this is my home screen layout, guys. So if you want to change it, you just have to go to the settings, and now in the settings, tap on the display options. And after, here in this display options, in this display page, you just have to scroll it down until we'll find the home screen layout like this. You just have to tap on it. And we'll see here the options for the home screen layout. As you can see here, I used the 4x6 for the layout. And if you want to change it, you just have to choose the size that you want. For example, here there are 5x6, and also here for the biggest one, 2x2. And if you want to save it, you just have to tap on this button, guys. And for example, here I'm gonna use the 5x6. I'm gonna tap on the save button to save it. So we just have to go back to the home screen. This is the layout, guys. And yeah, I think it's enough from me. Thank you guys for watching this video. Don't forget to leave your like and comments below, and I'll see you soon on the next one. Goodbye.